Meaning of Emmerdale.
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 Emmerdale. Emmerdale is a British television soap opera that has been broadcast since 1972. The show is set in the fictional village of Emmerdale in the Yorkshire Dales and follows the lives of the local community. It has a strong focus on family relationships, romances, and everyday dramas. Over the years, the show has tackled many controversial and topical issues, such as domestic abuse, homosexuality, and mental health. Emmerdale has become a beloved and iconic fixture of British television, attracting millions of viewers each week.